Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the ECOVACS O1000 robot mower. Here we go. Cutting grass takes time. It's hot, it's tiring, and some days you just don't feel like doing it. Now imagine your lawn getting mowed while you sit back and sip a cold drink. No pushing, no sweating, no wires to set up. That's what the GOAT O1000 is made for. It's a smart, wire-free mower that takes care of your lawn for you. And here's the best part. For everything it does, it's surprisingly affordable. It's a great value for homeowners who want to save time, energy, and money. Setup is easy. No wires, no headache. Some robot mowers want you to bury wires or set up complicated stuff, but not this one. The O1000 uses built-in mapping. You walk it around your lawn once and it remembers everything. No wires, no base station. Just open the app, follow the steps, and you're ready to mow. You don't have to lift a finger once it's set up. The O1000 mows completely on its own. You don't have to start it, watch it, or guide it. You schedule when you want it to mow, and it handles the rest. It's like having a lawn helper that never complains and never takes a day off. It doesn't crash or get stuck, and I wanted to see how smart this thing really was. So I set up a couple of obstacles. The O1000 used AIVI 3D vision to spot them early and go around smoothly. No bumps, no stops, just clean navigation. It's smart enough to avoid trouble without having to clean up first. The O1000 may have small single blades, but they work fast. It cuts clean, keeps a steady pattern, and saves you serious time. You can adjust the cutting height from 1.2 to 3.2 inches, depending on how short you want your lawn. It turns messy grass into a finished, sharp-looking lawn, and you don't have to lift a finger. It has TruEdge technology for edge cutting. The O1000 starts by mowing the middle of the lawn first, then it works its way out to the edges. And when it gets to those edges, it hugs the border and delivers a super clean line. That's the TruEdge system, and it makes the yard look freshly trimmed. The O1000 has a slim body, just 15.7 inches wide. That's narrow enough to fit through paths as small as 27.5 inches, and it does it all on its own. Thanks to its intelligent design, it can navigate tight spaces without needing help. This mower is really quiet. You could be outside reading or relaxing and barely hear it working. It's perfect if you live close to neighbors or just want peace and quiet. You can control it with your phone, so if you want to mow while you're at work, you can. Needed to skip a wet area in the lawn? It will. You can handle everything from the ECOVACS Home app. Set schedules, create zones, and tell it exactly how you want the job done. This mower was built to be safe. If a kid or pet runs by, it stops or steers away. It has built-in sensors to avoid accidents and keep your space protected. The GOAT O1000 is great for busy homeowners, people who want less yard work, older folks who want something easy and safe, tech lovers who enjoy smart gadgets. If you've got a small or medium-sized lawn, this thing fits right in. Here are some pros and cons. The pros: simple setup, smart obstacle avoidance, edges and narrow space management, clean cut, quiet and safe. As for the con, the biggest thing is this mower is going to be better for a small to medium lawn. The GOAT O1000 makes mowing easy, smart, and pretty fun to watch. If you want to get your time back and still have a great looking lawn, check out this mower. And for the price, it's worth the look. Big thanks to ECOVACS for letting me put it to the test.